Hi, I'm Darryl, and I'm an incoming sophomore at the Park School of Baltimore. I've completed my RC tank. My final milestone was to get the motors working and to connect the PS2 controller to the Arduino. I use an L298 driver. It has 2 enable pins, which are used to enable and disable the device. The L298N also has an H-bridge. The H-bridge controls the DC motor. It has 4 switches in each of its corners to spin the motor counterclockwise and clockwise. The way that I wired my PS2 controller is that there are 9 different points, and I only use 6 of them. I wire them to the Arduino. This is my project in action. When you hold down the circle button, the project moves forward, and when you release it, it stops. When you hold down the X button, it moves backwards, and when you release it, it stops. One mistake that I made was that I had wired my PS2 controller to the wrong pins. I had to figure out which ones needed PWM pins and had to rewire it and code it again. One other mistake that I made was that the tank treads were way too tight and it didn't allow the wheels to spin. The last mistake that I made was that I accidentally wired the right motor to the wrong pins, so the right side of the gearbox wouldn't turn. What I learned was I learned how to wire motors to an Arduino and how to code the motors. Another thing that I learned was how to wire a PS2 controller to the Arduino and how to connect it to the robot. Overall, I really enjoyed this project. I made a lot of mistakes and I really learned from them. This was a great hands-on project and I'm really satisfied with the outcome. Thank you.